In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Phpmyadmin on Cloudways. This quick and easy guide will have you navigating your database in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to the Cloudways website, which is a fantastic managed cloud hosting platform. It streamlines the cloud hosting experience, making it much more accessible and manageable for users of all backgrounds. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to look for the login button. This button is usually located at the top right of the screen for easy access. Give it a click and it will direct you to the login page. Now, if you already have a Cloudways account, you just need to enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to register before moving forward. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Cloudways dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you manage all of your applications and servers. It's organized to give you quick access to all the necessary tools you need, including Phpmyadmin. From the dashboard, look for the section titled My Applications. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all the applications you currently have hosted on Cloudways. Since we are interested in accessing a database for a particular application, we need to locate this specific app from this list. Once you find the application you want to work with, you should see an option labeled Applications. Click on it. This next step is where things get more specific. After clicking on Applications, you'll see an option called Launch Database Manager. This is exactly where we want to go. Clicking on Launch Database Manager will open up Phpmyadmin for the particular application you selected, and there you have it. By now, Phpmyadmin should be up and running, allowing you access to your database where you can manage tables, execute SQL queries, and handle all sorts of database tasks. Cloudways really makes it straightforward to host and manage databases, making it ideal for developers and businesses looking for a user-friendly interface. While this process may sound a bit complex, Cloudways has done an excellent job of keeping things intuitive. So feel free to take your time exploring the dashboard, and don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support if you encounter any hiccups along the way. Remember, being familiar with your hosting environment can significantly enhance your ability to manage your applications effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you can confidently access Phpmyadmin whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.